I'm Carrie Obedzinski, Distribution Sales Manager at TimesMicrowaveSystems. Welcome to Real Times, our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, and everything coax. Today we have Kevin Moyher with us, and we're going to talk about some of our new products that are going to be coming out this year. Thanks for joining us, Kevin.
I don't know. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So earlier this year, we released our toolkit for the LMR 195 and 240, and it's gotten rave reviews, and sounds like we're going to be releasing some more.
Yes, we are. We spent a lot of time recently on toolkits, and I think tools are so important to, the overall performance of an RF interconnect. The quality of the cable, sure, quality of the connectors, but the ease of putting that connector onto the cable. Having the right tools, having rugged tools that are going to last and do a real good job is very, very important. And we want to make people more aware of these tools. And in that frame of mind, we started to develop these hard case toolkits where you open up the toolkit, there's a hard foam in there, and everything's got a place. You want to go to a job, you can very quickly make sure you have all the right tools, you can make sure those are all stored properly and kept in the best possible shape. You don't want to go to a job and find out you don't have a tool, and you don't want to pick up the wrong tool. So, it addresses both of those issues.
And what's great about our tools is it helps with the consistency and repeatability of that termination, right? Everybody can do it the same.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have videos online where you can actually see us terminating the cables with these tools, and you can just see how easy they are and how quick it is and how consistent it is.
Yeah.
Our tools have been tested to over 2,000 preps and still produce very, very good performance after 2,000 preps. And then we have replacement blade packages that are installed in these tools. So, as long as you don't lose the tool, you're good.
Yeah, and those blades are actually very safe. It's not like the razor blades you see a lot of the installers using out in the field.
Yep, absolutely, absolutely.
Want to show us your toolkit?
Yeah, we have an example today of a toolkit, and let's open up right here. This is one of our newest toolkits, TK-CST-HC.
So what cable would this be used for?
This actually would be used for quite a few cables. Actually, that's the purpose. It's a general broadband prep toolkit.
Okay.
So if you're involved with terminating coaxial cable, certainly a workshop, a lab, something you just want to be prepared for every possibility, this is a great kit to have. What we have in here is our core four prep tools for LMR. We have the 195, 240, 400, and 600. Those are going to do all the standard, the DB, the FR cables. Even Ultraflex, if you use a little lubricant to break that friction with the rubber jacket, you can even use these on the Ultraflex cables. Down below here, what we have is our prep tools for our LPX cables. These are our plenum ready cables, but these same tools can also handle the FBT series of cables. The FBT series of cables is the LMR, high temperature LMR cables. So FBT 240, FBT 400, and FBT 600. And they also handle some of the SFT cables, SFT 205, SFT 393, and SFT 600. So with this one toolkit here, you can knock out quite a bit of cables. The standard cables, the FR cables, the plenum cables, the high temperature FBT cables, some of the high frequency, high power cables, SFT cables. So, if you're involved in an application or an industry where you're working with coaxial cable, this is a nice thing to have.
Networking, telecommunications, 5G installers.
Absolutely. And as we said earlier, these are all, high precision blades. They're designed to last a long, long time, and if you don't lose them, and that's one of the nice things about this kit, it helps you from not losing these tools. And before you leave a job site, you open this kit up and make sure that these locations are filled up.
Well, thanks for sharing with us today.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for
it.
Very excited about these tools and getting the word out there on these tools.
So we'll make sure on our website and in our newsletter, you'll be able to see as these kits are released, because there's a few others, I believe.
Of course, we're going to plan to do more beyond that. So again, having the right tool, I'm not the first person that said it, but having the right tool for the job is very, very important.
It's very important. Thanks again, Kevin. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at realtimes@timesmicro.com. That's REEL. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and until next time, Stay healthy, and thanks for watching.